In this training video, I'm going to show you how to print. All of these forms that you have in this side dashboard under Forms can be printed. And you will always see the word print on the right-hand side dashboard whenever you're in any form, such as call report. So to print, we simply click on Print, and then a drop-down will appear, and here it is. And you just simply select, I want the call report, I don't want the call report. Whatever form you want, it'll be checked off in this manner. It'll always default to all of them being checked off. So you just select the forms you want. I don't want work stoppage because my job was not stopped either by myself or the client. So once you've selected these, all these particular forms will be printed. We also have this video icon if you need help at any time for this particular function. Watch the video again, and this is a training video. We have these all throughout the whole program. So once it's been selected, each form, that's what you want to send for printing, and then you would simply click Print. It's as simple as that. Very, very easy to use. To your success, and thank you for watching.